Castor oil is becoming a popular remedy for hair loss and a helpful ingredient for hair regrowth. On an average, your hair grows by about ½ an inch every month. With the regular use of castor oil, hair growth can be boosted by 3 to 5 times the usual rate. It not only spurs hair growth, but the hair also becomes noticeably thicker within a few months of use. Castor oil also can make your eyelashes and eyebrows longer and thicker. In this video, we're going to reveal to you the top 7 changes you can see when you regularly apply castor oil on your hair and scalp. So make sure you watch till the end, and also be sure to subscribe to this channel to get videos like this recommended to you every week. Before looking into the benefits of castor oil for your hair, let's look at the scientific reason why it works. Castor oil's antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties make it an effective treatment for scalp infections. Its high protein content makes it very valuable to maintain hair health. It also helps battle infections such as folliculitis, a condition that causes inflammation of the hair follicles. The unusually high content of ricinoleic acid in castor oil improves blood circulation at the scalp, ensuring better nutrition for the hair follicles. This acid also helps balance the pH of the scalp. Castor oil is rich in antioxidants that support the keratin in hair, making it smoother, stronger, and less frizzy. Benefits of castor oil for hair. Growing your hair is not just about increasing the rate at which it grows. Healthy hair growth involves a multitude of other factors, such as hair health, nutrition, the health of your scalp, etc. Castor oil is an ideal hair growth solution because it tends to the various needs of your hair so that it grows out thick and healthy. Let's take a look at the top 7 benefits of castor oil for your hair. Number 7. Controls hair fall. The ricinoleic acid present in castor oil improves blood circulation to your scalp. This, in turn, improves follicle and scalp health and reduces hair fall. It strengthens the roots of your hair by nourishing your scalp and providing protection against microbes. Number 6. Encourages hair regrowth. 90% of castor oil's nutritional content is made up of ricinoleic acid. This, combined with the omega-6 and 9 fatty acids, penetrates the hair shafts and roots and nourishes it, restoring its optimum health and boosting hair growth. Number 5. Treats dandruff. Dandruff is usually caused by an underlying issue such as an oily scalp or itchiness. The antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties of castor oil make it an effective treatment for battling dandruff. Ricinoleic acid is also known to balance the pH of the scalp, making it healthier and an unfavorable environment for dandruff. Number 4. Thickens hair. Castor oil penetrates the outer layer of the hair shaft. The added regrowth and reduced hair fall make your hair thicker and stronger. Number 3. It's a natural conditioner. As we mentioned above, the oil penetrates the outer layer of the hair and fills in any damaged spots of keratin. This process, by itself, smooths the hair by restoring the hair cuticles. It also makes the shafts less prone to loss of moisture. Number 2. Protects hair from damage. The fatty acids present in castor oil form a protective layer on your hair and protect it from sun damage and loss of color. It replenishes the natural oils and protects your scalp from the damage caused by harsh chemicals present in dyes and hair products. Number 1. Provides shiny hair. As explained earlier, castor oil provides your hair with a protective coat along the shaft. This, in turn, reflects more light and makes your hair smoother and shinier. Have you ever tried castor oil on your hair? Were you happy with the results? Tell us about your experience in the comments below.